Hasmukh Koringa sir, coordinator of this Atal FDP, and all the participants who are right now present in the session. I, Dr. Dhaval Bhojani, on behalf of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Government Engineering College, Rajkot, heartily welcome you all to this valedictory function of the really great Atal FDP, which has been organized by a department. Let me brief about this FDP. During these 5 days, uh, it was really in a proper flow arranged FDP actually in terms of the VLSI design and testing and verification. So each and every expert, the topics which were being covered by the experts were almost in the sequence. So almost all the aspects of VLSI design, testing and verification has been covered by the experts. So we have tried our level best to deliver the maximum possible outcome to the participants of the FDP. And we had maximally tried our best to maintain the schedule, the each and every sessions flow and everything. So it was on overall, if we are going to think about, then it was a really nicely managed FDP. In case of that, I would really like to appreciate the response from the participants on behalf of department, that participants have really shown their keen interest. During the session, even participants were actively interacting with experts. They were asking the questions. They were actively participating in the discussion and everything. So it was overall really nice FDP. At the end of FDP, before just few minutes, we have end up with the session for the stress management with Professor Rakesh Ojha sir, to which is actually going to give you another aspect of being a human, that except engineer or an electronic and communication engineer or VLSI domain expert, we are also human being actually. So that is going to give you one another aspect of a life, and it is really nicely covered session by Rakesh Ojha sir. And really, I was present in that session throughout the session, and I was listening to sir. It was a really great session actually, which is really in terms of stress management, so that you can get relaxed from the stress. So again, yes, I would like to say that Dr. Chirag Thakur sir is available with us, who is head of the department and professor of computer engineering department of our institute. Welcome to the valedictory function, sir. Uh, Now, not wasting much time in this, I would like to request Dr. Vitlani sir to share a few words with us, sir. Vitlani sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Dear head of the departments, coordinator of this Atal FDP, Dr. H.P. Koringa, Dr. Dhaval Bhojani, and all the faculties who have extended necessary support for smooth conduction of the FDP. It was a great teamwork from GC Rajkot for smooth conduction of FDP. And all dear participants, without your support, it was not possible for us to make this FDP successful. I wish congratulations to all of you for successful completion of this Atal FDP on VLSI design, verification and testing. It was nice experience for us to interact with all the participants and experts during the FDP. There was a great support from experts for sharing their valuable knowledge and skill. So they have delivered talks starting from VLSI design flow, modern semiconductor design, architectural design, functional verification, logical synthesis, logic verification and testing, physical design, verification, sign off, and final testing. As Dr. Dhaval Bhojani rightly said that, it was in a proper sequence, It's not good that initially there is a session for testing and then after verification and then physical design. But fortunately, in this FDP, all the sessions were in a sequence. And while doing all these technical sessions, stress should not be there. So last session was a stress management session, which was also conducted successfully by Professor Rakesh Oza. And I believe that in every organization, there should be one meditation center where a staff can sit for a few minutes in a meditation or do some pranayam for the stress relief. And at GC Rajkot also, we have spared one room for that, and we are going to develop a meditation center there, where, you know, after a lot of work, whenever the faculty feels that I am stressed, they can sit there for a few minutes and get the stress relief. I am thankful to experts Mansi Masrani, Sagar Karya, Kashyap Pansara, Vishal from Intel, Mentor Graphics, and Broadcom. They have shared their industrial experience with all of us. Dr. Usha Mehta from Nirma University, Professor Rakesh Oza from Marwadi University, Dr. R.A. Thakkar, Professor Anand Darji, Professor Prafsant Shah from SVNIT Surat, Professor Pankaj Prajapati from LD Engineering College, and all other experts who have delivered their expert talk during the FDP. I have attended few sessions, and I'm happy to see that whenever I was attending, you know, at that time participants were interacting with the experts, and Dhaval also rightly told that, you know, participants were very active, and because of that, this FTP was very much successful, and all the sessions were very much live. All the sessions are recorded and it's available on YouTube channel. So later on, if anyone of you want to refer it, you can refer, and as well as you can also share these sessions with your students. We have already shared this with our final year students. You can also share it with your students. And I'm sure that the knowledge and skill acquired by you during all the sessions will be useful to you, as well as it will flow towards your students and useful to them also. There is a great opportunity for the students in the field of VLSI design, verification, and testing. And I'm sure that whenever you will teach your students these skills, it will improve the placement opportunities for the students. Your feedback is very important for us. This FDP was basically designed by coordinator Dr. Smuk Koringa sir. And in between, verification was done in the form of question answers and quiz, etc. Now the last phase is a testing phase for this FDP actually. And this valedictory followed by the quiz, which will be launched after this valedictory function. This can be considered as a testing for this FDP, right? So your feedback is very important for us. During the inauguration time, we speak and you have listened. But now this valedictory time, you know, it will be reverse. Now you have to speak and we will listen to you. We will get comments and corrections from you so that we can do improvements in our next forthcoming FDPs. Thank you all. That's all from my side, Bhojani sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words and appreciating the efforts of the team. With us, our head of the department, Professor S.B. Parmar sir, has joined the session. So I heartily welcome Professor Parmar sir. There is some technical issue with Parmar sir's computer that the mic is right now not working with them. So sir has passed me the message which sir wants to deliver in this valedictory function. So I am just reciting the message of Parmar sir that about this training program. I'm just reciting, which is being delivered to me in my mobile phone. Okay, here is the words from SB Parmar sir. Respected Vitlani sir, my colleagues, invited guests, friends, students, and dear participants. We all, as a teacher, are continuous learners. We need to update ourselves in our domain with latest research and technology. FDP is an important platform for learning. I'm sure that you all have taken full advantage of this 1 week course on VLSI technology as a learner. I wish you all with circulate knowledge gained here among your fellow colleagues and students, as that will serve the true objective of our FDP. To start, anything is easy, but to maintain the same is equally difficult. Last year, we did FDP on IoT, and this year on VLSI. And I'm sure next year also our department will arrange one more FDP. I'm very much thankful to AICT for the approval and our principal sir for all the support and motivation. I also congratulate Dr. Koringa sir and his entire team for the successful conduction of a program. It takes time and lot of efforts to arrange such training. Last but not the least, I am very much thankful to all the participants for joining our FDP. Your feedback are really very important to us, and we will try our level best to improvise in next FDP. Hope to see you next year, and good luck to you. Thank you very much. This was the message from Professor S.B. Parmar sir, who is head of department of our electronics and communication department. Thank you very much, Parmar sir, for your really kind message. And I was just reading before this valedictory function the message of sir. I was just going through that. Yes, sir. Within few words only, sir has covered everything actually. Thank you very much, Parmar sir. Now it is time for the feedbacks from the participants. And as with me, I am having a list of few participants who have shown their willingness to give their feedbacks. So first and foremost, I would like to request Mr. Binod Kumar Soni sir, who is lively available with us right now, to share his valuable feedback. Professor Binod Kumar sir, please sir.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes sir, yes sir, you
Yes,
are
sir.
clearly audible sir.
Good evening to all. I am Dr. Binod Soni from UIT RGPP Bhopal. First of all, I would like to congratulate to all organizers, participants, AICT also, to organize such type of wonderful event, in which basically we have discussed all the previous theoretical aspects as well as current trends of the VLSI design. Starting from the keynote speech by Prashant Kumar sir, he has given us a brief knowledge of the trends and current trends and challenges in the VLSI design. After that, every eminent speaker has given us a detailed knowledge and deep knowledge in the particular topic with the simple explanation. So such type of FDP was really useful to us, and we hope in future we will benefited from the GEC Rajkot in the guidance of Professor Dr. Dhaval Bhojani sir and Dr. Hasmukh Koringa sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words for us. And we really ensure, as per the message of our head of the department, sir, we really ensure that next year we will again come up with a new FDP with in new domain of our engineering and technology. Yes, so we would be trying our level best to deliver our society. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I would like to request Professor Suresh Kumar Barwar sir. Yes, sir is also with us. Yes, sir. Please share your feedback, sir.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Clearly audible, sir.
So first of all, congratulate to the entire team of the GEC Rajkot that arranging such a very good STTP in the field of VLSI. The one more thing I would like to share with all the participants is that we have started the journey of this STTP with the latest trend and the challenges in the VLSI design. And then after the last session of the first day, we have jumped into the ocean of the modern semiconductor devices. And then after we have stick with the actual VLSI design flow. That is what we have seen in the book, but this STTP has proved that we have gone through that flow actually. The very good thing about this particular STTP is we have followed the journey of that VLSI design flow in an expert manner. So that is one of the very good thing that what I have observed in this particular STTP. One more thing I would like to share with the participant is that the balance between the expert from the industry as well as from the academia. The balance was quite good, so we can get the exposure of the both industry as well as the academia. So that is one of the another thing that I would like to share with you, sir. And one more thing, as I already discussed, that we have started from the RTL design and ended up with the sign off and tape out. But one another aspect that is missing, that normally in village side STTP main focuses are on the digital part. But the good thing about this STTP is the analog part is also covered. That is one of the important and another different aspect of this particular STTP. So I have really enjoyed all the sessions. So I think let us share with all of you. So that's why I shared the few words with you. Thank you, sir. And it's a really enjoyable journey of the STTP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your kind words, actually, sir. This actually flow was being designed by Dr. Koringa, sir, and sir has put so much efforts to maintain the flow, to find out the experts and everything. So that credit goes to Dr. Koringa, sir, as sir is having PhD degree in VLSI, so he is really knowing that how the knowledge should be grabbed in the domain. So he is expertise in that domain. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Now, there is one message from Professor Manas Kumar Parai, who is actually having some technical issue, but he has shared his audio message with us. So I would like to play that, so that it's our honor to have that audio clip with us. Just a minute, give me just a few seconds so that I can share it. I would just request, if the audio is not audible, to acknowledge me, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Manas Kumar Parai. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Siliguri Institute of Technology, Siliguri, in the district Darjeeling. It is a golden opportunity for me to become a participant of this 5 days Atal FDP on VLSI design, verification and testing organized by GEC Rajkot. It would not have been possible for me to physically attend the FDP because Siliguri is located geographically far apart from GEC Rajkot. So this online platform gives me such golden opportunity to interact with the experts from industry and academia in the domain of VLSI technology. So on behalf of all the participants, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Professor Koringa sir. He tried to address all the query posted in WhatsApp or in ML. He have taken a lot of pain for us. We have received time-to-time update and full cooperation from him. I must convey special thanks to Professor Dhaval sir to conduct this session in an organized manner. Thank you all, the organizing committee members and other members, those who are directly or indirectly involved with this event. Thank you all for exhibiting endless effort to make this event a grand success. So what we have learned from this FDP, that will be shared with our students. The students will also be benefited. Professor Koringa sir form a strong bond between GEC Rajkot and all other engineering colleges. So hope the same kind of cooperation from Professor Koringa sir in future. If we have faced any kind of trouble, any kind of difficulties, which is relevant to this field of VLSI design, sir will definitely help us. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Paul.
Okay, I hope it was audible to everyone clearly.
Yes.
Okay, now I would request Dr. Suresh Kumar Pitala sir. Sir is with us.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Sir, is it audible?
Yes, sir, it is clearly audible, sir.
Sir, I have some technical issues with the video. Okay, right now I'll give my message.
Okay,
sir,
no issue, sir.
After attending all these sessions, sir, right now I'm proud to say I'm a part of GEC right now. I belongs to this community of GEC. Okay, I got familiar with you, sir, Dhaval Bhojani, sir, and Dr. Hashmukh Koringa sir. Okay, and it's a honor to me to be a part of this Atal FDP. Okay, and I thank Chandresh Vitalani sir. Okay, for giving us opportunity to participate in this one. Sir, in a crisp way, I can say this FDP can be named as STTP. It can be named as workshop also. Since workshops in the sense we have hands-on experience by our Hashmukh Koringa sir, he has taken session 4 and session 6 on Verilog he has given. Okay, and sir, it's well planned, well organized, well communicated. The communication is by MS Teams, this Microsoft Teams, as well as WhatsApp also. We are not losing any information at all. We are not missing any information. It's a well planned. Okay, and for those people who have missed any sessions, they can attend through YouTube. Right now, they can get through them. Okay, it's a very good thing, sir. Because in other FDPs, they will not share these things. Okay, once you attend live only, you can be part of that one, right? And I thank this GEC and this workshop, all these people for bringing experts from both academic as well as and industry. Okay, and sir, it's right now it's this 5 minutes, 10 minutes not enough for me to give my feedback because I never left any single minute from first minute onwards by the end. Even stress management also, I was there for the end. I love each and every session, like covering like session 1, current trends of VLSI design by Dr. Prashant sir. Okay, I loved it. First, he started with the photograph, like it's auditorium. He created something. It's like, it's amazing thing. Next, second session, VLSI design flow by Anand Darji sir. He has introduced some words like a layout you can do in synopsis like Astro you can use, a mentor graphics caliber, like Cadence Expose Encounter. He has introduced some terms. Even though I'm a doctorate from VLSI design, okay, and many research scholars are there, I learned many things from this FTP. Like Chandresh sir told, like knowledge transfer, it should not be end here. Okay, so definitely we'll take from here, sir. We'll transfer that knowledge, and I learned many research problems also. There is a many scope I have learned, and I can give these problems to my scholars also. And in session 3, that's a wonderful session like recent trends, like semiconductor devices. He taught everything like secondary effects, everything punch through, reach through, and FinFETs he has introduced that, sir. And session 4, session 6 taken by our Hashmukh Koringa sir, introducing Verilog. Who don't know Verilog also, they can learn from step 1 onwards, right? And session 5, that ma'am, excellent, Mansi Mazrani ma'am. Okay, she has given the synthesis flow, and again she has taught in session 7 also design for testability. Okay, that synthesis part, and design for testability by Usha Mehta ma'am, Dr. Usha Mehta ma'am. That's excellent. Similarly, design that session 8, Sagar Karya, he has introduced like VLSI design verification. Sir, I loved every session. It's not enough for me. Right now I can proudly say I will take another 1 or 2 days to tell feedback itself. Right? Session 9, hands-on session on VLSI design, like Professor Puneet Lathia. Whatever
Yes.
our Kashmukh sir, Kashmukh Koringa sir has taught us in session 4, session 6, hands-on experience. With those basics, we can extend extend some other big things in session. In session 10, like physical design, I loved this session a lot. Like Vishal Kabda. Like he has taught us floor planning, placements, like design boundaries, many things, like rows and tracks, IOPLAD planning, IOPAD, partitioning design, physical cell insertions, pre-place. Sir, those, see, everything each word is a problem to me later for me. Okay, sir, I gained many things here. Okay, I will not stop here, sir. I am promising Chandresh Vitalani, sir, definitely. And for in future also, I would like to join other FDPs, whatever you're going to organize. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving the opportunity to be part and parcel of this FDP. Okay, thanks all the organizers, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. It is really clearly visible in your feedback that you haven't missed really a single minute of any session. And really, I appreciate, we on behalf of the department, we appreciate your efforts, sir, your interest, sir. Really, it is great pleasure for us that participants like you have shown in interest in our FDP and you have participated in our FDP. Thank you very much, sir, for attending our FDP. We are supposed to extend gratitude to you, sir. Participants like you are really rarely to find. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir. Thank you.
now I would request Professor Bhagirath Bhatt, sir, to share his views. Sir, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
I am Bhagirath Bhatt, sir. Bhagirath Bhatt. First of all, I thanks to Hasmukh Koringa, sir, and Vilslani, sir, and Dhawal, sir. You was also very good, very good flow. You are maintain is a very good, and that is a main part of I think we when part of this FDP flow is maintained is and also technical flow. Koringa sir well organized. When technical flow is maintained also very good. So I have lot of learn analog VLSI. I a little bit know digital VLSI, but I learn more and more in analog VLSI. He is my pleasure, and also we have in future we have also joined with GEC Rajkot FDP. Thank you, sir.
Surely, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your feedback. Now, I would like to request Sarthi of our FDP, Dr. H.P. Koringa, sir, to share his vote of thanks and to conclude this FDP. Professor Koringa, sir.
Thank you, Dhaval sir, and all the participants, your feedback. So, first of all, Honorable Dr. C.H. Vithlani sir, Principal of our institute, Honorable Professor S.B. Parmar sir, Head of the EC Department, all the heads, Dr. D.R. Bojani, Dr. R.D. Mehta, Professor Jay Pandya, Professor M.J. Patel, all the faculty of EC, all the dear participants, and all those who are present in this meeting. I again welcome you all in this valedictory of AICT sponsored Atal Scheme 5 days online faculty development program on VLSI design, verification and testing. First of all, I would like to say thanks to AICT for accepting our proposal and sponsoring us. I would like to say thanks to our own principal, Dr. C.H. Vithlani sir, who has inspired me, guided me, and supported me whenever I need a support. And also thanks to Professor S.B. Parmar sir, Head of the EC Department, always support whenever I need it. I would like to say thanks to all our experts who have shared their valuable time from their busy schedule and help in this FDP share their expertise. I would say thanks to Dr. Dhaval Bojani for the nice anchoring and help in an organized manner to conduct this FDP and always ready to help me whenever I need it. So thank you, Dhaval. I would like to say thanks to R.D. Mehta for created MS Team login for participant and all the expert. Thanks to Professor Jay Pandya and Professor M.J. Patel for helping in this FDP whenever needed help. Thanks to Professor Hardik Molia, help to maintain the internet connectivity, and Professor K.B. Rathod sir and Professor Akash Kubawat sir help to maintain the power supply in these 5 days. So without the interruption, we have successfully completed these 5 days. So due to this uninterrupted power supply and connectivity, we not needed to use what we had done arrangement for internet and battery backup. So thanks to both the hard worker, dedicated faculties. I would like to say thanks to my PhD student who have helped me in this FDP. Thanks to all the dear participants. You shows the interest and to learn and taken part in this. Without this would not be there. As I told in the first session, when I said about this FDP, as we know, currently VLSI domain is booming due to the demand of SOC. Same way, it also have lots of challenge in a VLSI design to scope up a fast technological change. Intention of training was to bridge the gap between academic and industry by providing a training on industrial approach of VLSI design. Due to the support of industrial expert and eminent academician, I can surely say for what intended it initiated, it successfully done. Ultimately, the knowledge is transferred to the large number of students through these trained professors, and it will increase the employability in a student. This faculty development program will add one feather into make our nation from developing to the developed country. As we see, if I can talk about the statistics about this FDP approved by AICTE as on the 7th May 2021, and it uploaded in a Atal portal as on 8th May for the registration. As on the same day, more than 65% participants have registered, and in just 4 days, 200 participants have registered. After this also, I got many messages and phone calls for the registration. As per the AICTE rules, we could not able to accommodate more than 200 participants. So sorry for that, but I have created YouTube link and also shared with those who want to learn. In this FDP, if you see the participant from the different states, so in this FDP, there are participants from the 24 different states across the country, right? 35 from the Andhra Pradesh, 3 from the Assam, 1 from the Chandigarh, 1 from the Delhi, 1 from the Goa, 9 from the Gujarat, 4 from the Haryana, 1 from the Himachal Pradesh, 1 from the Jharkhand, 20 from the Karnataka, 15 from Kerala, 2 from Madhya Pradesh, 12 from Maharashtra, 1 from Nagaland, 5 from Odisha, 2 from Pondicherry, 2 from Punjab, 3 from Rajasthan, 41 from Tamil Nadu, the highest number of participants from the state of Tamil Nadu, 29 from Telangana, 1 from Tripura, 6 from Uttar Pradesh, and 4 from West Bengal. So the participants across the country taken part in it, and I can say knowledge spread all over India. As we experience in the second, another I want to say in this occasion, as we have a experience in the second wave of COVID-19, we have faced the problem of the oxygen, and we realized what is the important and value of oxygen. So I thought, why not we should take a place in these occasions to plant one tree in a year and take care of it. Our Honorable Principal Sir Dr. C.H. Vithlani has a plan to plant more than 100 trees in our campus in this year and make our campus more green campus. As we have a good college campus with a greenery and have a vibrant environment for the learning. We invite you all to visit our campus if you will get the chance to visit it. At the last, I would like to again thanks to AICT for providing the opportunity for us to conduct this FTP. The grand success of conducting this FDP credit goes to all those who have worked with a positive attitude. And Almighty the God, without the blessing of Almighty the God, it would not be possible. Thank you all and Jai Hind. So, over.
Thank you very much, Koringa sir, for your vote of thanks.
The last, we have one gallery view photo.
Yes, sir, we are going to conduct that. Before that, just I want to go through the chat box of this meeting right now. I was just going through that. So there are so many participants who have put messages in this sharing their feedbacks. I just going to brush up very rapidly through that. Mrs. Nilima, then Mr. Saurabh, then Dr. Kanan Bala Rai, then Mr. Krishna Banavathu, then Mrs. Dereddy Anuradha, then Dr. Mahesh, Dr. Suresh Kumar, then Miss Swathi, then Dr. Suresh Kumar again, then there are so many, Shrivani, then so many. They all are really appreciating our efforts. They are thanking all of us for this FDP and everything. So at the end of this training program, let us conclude with the valedictory program of this 5 days FDP with the blessings of God. So that we all can be safe and we all can be progressing continuously. Again, I would like to thank Dr. Vitlani sir, Professor S.B. Parmar sir, all the head of the departments of our institute, Dr. Koringa sir, all the faculty members of our department and participants for being present in this valedictory function. And just a small instruction to participants that at 5 o'clock exactly in the MS team, your end FDP examination would be activated, and you can appear that examination in that before 6 o'clock. So thank you very much, all of you. Now we are going to take one photograph collectively. So I would request all of us, all of you, to turn your camera on so that I can capture the image. Vitlani sir, Parmar sir, can you please also turn the camera on so that, yes sir. Yes, Thakur sir is also with us. I would request more and more participants to turn their camera on so that we can take a group picture. Actually, in the physical FDPs, it is really a good thing which is possible. But in this virtual platform, we are trying our level best to make it. Yes, joining with us.
In
So
physical
stay there,
FDP,
Koringa sir
sightseeing is
taking
also
the
possible,
picture.
right? In physical FDP, there is opportunity for sightseeing. In this online
Yes,
FDP,
sir,
there is
yes,
no
sir.
opportunity for sightseeing.
We are hoping for the normal situation next year so that we can arrange physical FDP at our campus, sir. Yes, more and more participants are joining us. Koringa sir, please take the picture. It's really nice to see so many new faces across the India. As we all are from belonging to the same family, we all are professors, academicians. So it's really great to see all of you. Yes, it is almost full house picture now available on the screen. Really, it's a great view. Okay. Koringa sir, taken the picture? Okay. So thank you very much, all of you, for being with us for 5 days. We really pray God to for your health in this pandemic situation. We all pray that you all be safe always and be healthy. Your family members also be safe and healthy. So that's all from our side. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Dhaval sir and Hashmukh sir. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you to all the team.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your
Thank you, sir.
appreciation. Thank you.
Yeah, really it was very nice FTP arranged.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.